In September 2025, the US government announced a new $1 lakh application fee for every H-1B visa. For companies that rely on global talent, this single decision could reshape the future of Silicon Valley and the dreams of thousands of highly skilled workers. The new rule multiplies the cost of an H-1B application by nearly 20 times. Officials estimate applications could drop by 40 to 50% in 2026. Big tech firms like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Meta, which together sponsored over 120,000 H-1B positions in 2024, are scrambling to assess the impact. The fee is set for 1 year but can be renewed, giving Washington leverage over the tech labor market. The H-1B program was created in 1991 to let US companies temporarily hire foreign workers in specialized fields: computer science, engineering, biotechnology, and more. The original cap allowed 65,000 visas per year plus 20,000 extra for US master's graduates. Universities and research labs were exempt. Demand quickly outpaced supply, and by 2024, the US Department of Labor projected a need for nearly 1 million additional STEM workers by 2033. In sectors like artificial intelligence, job growth is running at twice the rate of overall US workforce. Last year, more than 65% of H-1B approvals were renewals, showing how deeply companies depend on retaining these workers. India remains the powerhouse of the talent, providing roughly 70% of all H-1B recipients in 2024. Engineers from China, Canada, and the UK fill most of the remaining spots. For many, the visa is not just a job permit. It is the first step toward permanent residency and a long-term career in the US. Critics argue the system lets companies hire foreign workers at the lower wages, suppressing pay for US employees. A 2025 analysis found the median salary for H-1B tech workers is $127,000 compared to $141,000 for comparable US citizens. Opponents also point to the lottery process, which larger firms can game by submitting hundreds of applications, giving them an edge over startups and small businesses. Supporters counter that innovation depends on diversity and that many groundbreaking US startups, from AI unicorns to biotech firms, were founded or co-founded by immigrants. The Trump administration calls the $1 lakh fee a way to protect American jobs and discourage companies from defaulting to foreign talent. Along with the fee, officials propose replacing the random lottery with a wage-weighted merit system, where higher salaries and specialized skills increase the chance of selections. Supporters say it forces firms to invest in US graduates, but Silicon Valley leaders warn that AI development, cybersecurity research, and advanced chip design could all slow down, giving competitors in the China and the Europe an advantage. If hiring international talents become prohibitively expensive, companies may raise wages for American workers and expand domestic training programs, a potential win for US graduates. But in the short term, startups may relocate research to Canada, the UK, or Singapore, where visa systems remains friendlier. Analysts warn the US could lose its competitive edge in areas like quantum computing and green tech, industries that depend on specialized global expertise. For more than 3 decades, the H-1B visa has powered America's rise as the world's technology leader. Now, a single policy threatens to write that story. Will this move protect American workers or push innovation overseas? Only the coming years will reveal the true cost of this gamble. What do you think? Is this the end of the H-1B workers or the beginning of the new era of American tech? Share your thoughts in the comment below and subscribe for more in-depth reports on technology and policy.